Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore MySQL using mysqlbinlog and dumps, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore a MySQL database using mysqlbinlog and dumps, first ensure you have access to your MySQL server and the necessary files. Begin by identifying the MySQL binary logs you wish to use for the restoration. If you need to restore from a dump, locate the dump file on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to the directory where your dump file is stored. To restore from a MySQL dump file, use the following command: bash mysqlu, username, p, database_name, dump. Enter your password when prompted to complete the restoration of the dump file. Next, if you are restoring from binary logs, check the binary logs directory, usually located at /var/lib/mysql. Use the mysqlbinlog command to read the binary logs. The basic command format is as follows: bash mysqlbinlog, options, binary_log_file, replace, binary. If you want to filter the binary logs to a specific range, include the start date time and stop date time options. After extracting the desired transactions from the binary logs, pipe the output to the MySQL client to apply the changes. This can be done with the following command: bash mysqlbinlog, options, binary_log_file, mysqlu, username, p, database_name, again, replace, username, database_name, and binary_log_file, accordingly. Ensure you apply the logs in the correct sequence to maintain data integrity. If you need to restore to a specific point in time, calculate the exact timestamps needed and include those in your mysqlbinlog command. Once you have successfully restored your database, check the integrity and accuracy of the restored data with appropriate queries. Finally, always back up your databases regularly to prevent data loss in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.